Good bullishness is seen across indices and metals, as we discussed for gold specifically, that beyond 1965 we can see a good bullishness 73 and 84 levels. Precisely it has achieved both the levels and now trying to retrace. At the same time, silver has still traded very much within range, failed to break past 2520. That was the level we had discussed, that beyond 2520 there is massive bullishness. However, it failed to break past, now trying to retrace. So what to expect today, which position you should take trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. To watch till the end. Now see, gold on the hourly charts, prices diverge from the moving average, trying to converge here. The resistance is seen at 1980 and 1984 levels. You can count 1985 levels. So now beyond, because beyond 1985, 2000 is the next milestone. Remember this fact. Beyond 1985, it will try to hit 2000 levels, if not today, possibly tomorrow, if not tomorrow, possibly day after tomorrow. But beyond 1985 levels, the next milestone is 2000 levels. Possibly it could try to beat that if it stays above 1985. However, it is trying to retrace now. You can see drop, retracement, and then this drop again. Also the previous candle coming with a red candle, so maybe a little retracement. You can see the support levels at 1973, very strong, not only from the 20 period moving average but the near term Fibonacci levels also. And hence I will recommend you to sell here at 1970 levels, below which you can expect a little more drop, which might take it till towards 1965, the next milestone. Now 1965 and 64, which have proven out to be a greater resistance since last few days, is now going to be a great support. So only and only if it breaks below 1965 and then 1960 zone, you can consider that gold is now bearish and it is going to break. Till then, we have not to consider, or we should not consider gold as bearish. Yes, the moving averages are divergent. It could try to converge. Let's say a further detailed look. See, stochastic has dropped here. The MACD on the hourly charts is crossing over at the top, trading with divergence. It could bring little bearish candles here or little red candles, which could try to retrace the price a little. Now that should be also the first wave here. Then the second wave can also begin from there. RSI was overbought. It is coming down now. On the 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, whenever there was a breakout, the prices has, so first the moving average comes back till towards the price and the price also retraces a little. Now that will happen here also. First the price will come down and the moving average to retrace up, which means now 1970-75 zone is going to be a great support for gold. Stochastic dropping here. MACD willing to converge crossover. It is in green as of now. RSI is overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 3-hour charts, similar observation, prices stayed beyond Bollinger Bands, now trying to show a pullback. On the 3-hour charts, the prices are little, the moving average is little far below at around 1965 levels and then 1960. Now see, it has consolidated here now, it has given the breakout, and this means 1965-60 is going to remain a great support for gold. Stochastic dropping there. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Only and only if this complete movement is negated, which means the price is drops below 1960, you should treat this as a reversal. Else till 1960, you should not treat this as a reversal. This is still a retracement. It could, the prices could retrace a little till towards 70 or 65 levels at worst and then fly back from here. This is also very much possible. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is overbought. It is coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart, look at the daily charts here. It is consolidated here enough. Then we have seen one green candle sideways, then couple of bullish candles, then sideways or retracement candle, then first bullish candle. So remember, this is the first bullish candle. However, as you look at the pattern here, after the bullish candle, it retraces for 3 to 4 candles and stays in this bullish zone. Now another point to note here is, now the support, see, this is the bullish channel it is created. 1960 is the base case for the day. Only below 1960 further bearishness can be observed. And also one must note that the daily moving average is now crossing over here. The 20, 50, 100 period moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. See, 20 and 100 already crossover, 20 and 50 is also about to crossover. So today again possibly it could try to now trade sideways and with a slight bullish momentum. That is what is my expectation. Hence, if you are taking a sell entry at 1970, you have to remain very cautious and alert. 1967, 64 levels, very good support, and then 1960. So these three levels you should mark and watch out for. Sell at 1970, however, 1967, 64, and then 1960. These three levels will definitely prove out to be great support. And on the upside, only buy entry I will recommend is above 1980, beyond which you can stay long for 85. And staying above 85, we can expect 2000 levels today itself. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see the silver prices on the hourly charts. You can find out taking the support from the 20 period moving average. $25 levels, which were the resistance earlier, are now going to be the support here. I will recommend you to sell if you see it trading below 24.90. That is a point below which you can sell, but then 24.80 is a great support, and below that only further bearishness will be seen there. Till 24.80 there is no bearishness. Possibly it could bounce back, and we have to remain cautious. I think silver's movement is right now very much range bound, neither bullish nor bearish, and hence we have to remain very much alert for silver. Stochastic has dropped. MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI flat. On the 2-hour charts, if you look on the 2-hour charts, you can see lower highs, lower lows. It could try to come back till towards 24.95. Only sell entry I will recommend is below 24.90. However, 24.80 is a great support now. Those who those who do not want to risk anything should wait for 24.80 to be breached and then take a sell entry. Yes, those who want or those who can risk a little can take a sell entry at around 24.95 levels, but then be very alert, cautious for 24.90, 24.80. It could be a reversal place for at any point it can reverse from 24.80, also 85.90. Any point it can reverse, and hence you have to remain very much cautious and alert if you are taking a sell at 24.95. Stochastic dropping here. MACD flat, RSI flat near to top. Coming to the 3-hour charts, if you look at 3 hours chart for silver, see price has moved out of Bollinger Bands, failed to stay above Bollinger Bands, now trying to trade or retrace again. Now remember, silver is still very much range bound. If you can see, the complete movement was limited yesterday between 24.70 and 25.20 level. But it is still bullish. Yes, only and only if it breaks below 24.80 today, you can say. And the every candle you can see fail to stay or close below 24.80. That is the most important point. So any candle if you see closing below 24.80, that is the point which should strike the bearishness in silver. Stochastic near to top. MACD is still bearish here, trading with little divergence. RSI overbought. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. First bullish candle here, trading sideways here. Then again it can give a breakout. A buying entry can be taken at around 25.20 levels. Above 25.20 we are going to target 25.50 this time. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish. RSI is overbought. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily chart, see bullishness here, retracement. Now see the bullishness here. It is very small candle. It indicates that the bulls are exhausted and the bullishness getting diminished. Hence, first point is for it to break below 24.80 levels and a hourly candle closing below 24.80. If you see this too, just stay short in silver, and it can reverse, it can erase all the gains. It could give similar size of candle which can bring the prices till towards 24.20 also. We have to be watchful today specifically for silver. Also remember on the daily charts, now moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. The price is little divergent from the moving average, and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. A little retracement for silver means the retracement till towards $24 levels. Right now the moving averages are stationed at $24 levels. Also, if you look at stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 24.80 levels, and that too if an hourly candle closes below 24.80, then below which you can stay short. Those who want to risk a little can sell at 25.495 levels, but then Do not treat silver as bearish till 2480. On the upside, a buy entry is about 2520 levels now. Beyond 2520, the target is 2550 levels. Remember this fact, and hence you can keep your positions, you can take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Watch that analysis also. Thank you.